Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all doing well. Today we are going to start with one of the most important and interesting topic, that is Excel, because Excel is one of the most interesting and important to every engineer. They need to use Excel to store the data. So don't skip the video to understand more better, and please share to others if it is needful. Even I was also face issue at the time of my first project. My team lead was told the simple thing using Excel, but trust me guys, I don't know even single thing about the Excel at the time. So I was taken 1.5 hours to complete that. After that I learned it is very easy and it is taken less than 5 minutes. So please learn the Excel. It is very needful in the software field and it is important. In this video, we are going to see what is Excel. What is Excel? Excel is an electronic spreadsheet application that enables user to store, organize, calculate and manipulate the data with formulas using a spreadsheet system broken up by rows and columns. By using formulas only, the Excel is very easy, and formulas not at all tough. It is very easy and it is in only our comfortable words. And this Microsoft Excel is launched in 1985 by the Microsoft Corporation. Here I am taking one example as a team. I named it as a crazy team, and here the names all are the we can take as team members, and employee ID 1, 5, 10 like that. Salaries are below the 30, above the 30 like that. This is the one of the example Excel sheet how it creates. I'll tell you in the upcoming videos how to create Excel sheet, how to insert the elements, like how to insert the names, how to insert the employee IDs, how to insert the salaries. Those all I'll tell you, and how to name it and how to frame the total borders. I'll tell you in the upcoming videos. Next, why should we need to use Excel? It is one of the number one platform when it comes to analyze the data, finding the information, preparing charts, and presenting them to decision maker. Excel perform well for all level of users, from the basic calculator to the 100% technology adapt. Keep watching guys. Let's learn about the Excel in upcoming videos. Hope you all understand this video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video to all.